What is it? What is it? What do we have here? Haha, everybody has it. Everybody needs one. Not only the phone, which is quite expensive, so you want to protect it, and you want to look cool. Does mine look cool? It's okay. I need a new one. It's getting old. I'm talking about the phone case, guys. Okay, everybody has a phone. Everybody needs a phone. It's a business that is always in demand. Do you want to learn how to create cool-looking phone cases using AI, zero cost, zero design skills, and no inventory needed? Because you can connect your print-on-demand platform with, say, Etsy or whatever other marketplace you will want to use to sell your phone cases on. It's pretty cool stuff, okay? You can sell it obviously on Amazon. Also has a nice connection with print-on-demand platforms and Creative Market and plenty of other platforms as well. But we will be focusing on Etsy because this is what the training course I'm reviewing today called, what was it? Phone Case Profits. Okay, it's just gone live. I'll show you the members area. I'll show you what you will find inside. Okay, so you can make an educated decision as to whether the product is for you or not. And I have some amazing bonuses, of course, as well. So let's dig in and let me share with you all that I have prepared just for you. Right. Okay. So here is my written review link as per usual. Down below in the description box, you may know my reviews by now, how they are structured, and I leave no stones unturned. You have the funnel details. The price of the front end is $12.95. It will jump up after the launch is over, and this is the launch period, so launching today, and the last day of the launch is the 15th of June, so 6 days launch, and then the price will jump. Okay, I know that this vendor always, like most of the time, does increase the price after the launch is over. This is the vendor, and I have reviewed quite a few of his products. He's very friendly, very cool guy. I like him. I like the quality of his training courses. They are very, I would say, cute, okay? Not only cute, but heartfelt. It's pretty obvious. He puts his heart and soul into creating his babies. And, okay, I mean it. I really mean it. It was a pleasure to watch this training course. I've got the members area here, guys. So, of course, I'll show you around. I'll explain more what you will be learning here and how it could benefit you if you decide to purchase it. And most importantly, take action. Right. So from my written review, and where you also have my bonuses listed, extremely congruent with this offer. As you can see, the Etsy selling guide, the path to success, so thorough walk through the Etsy, how to, optimize it. Not only the listings, but the profile and your whole Etsy store. Okay, the next one is the Pinterest Power Pack for Etsy Empire Builders. This is something that's not covered in this training course, but I thought I would give you extra power. So ideally you want to connect your Pinterest, which is all about images, designs, and all of that, right? Graphics, with your Etsy store. Okay, smooth connection. So from your pins, people will be taken directly. If you put the link to your Etsy listing, they will be taken to your Etsy listing directly from your Pinterest. Okay, if you set it up the right way, then I'll give you the ultimate Facebook traffic trick. Phenomenal training course from Mark Hess. I bought the reseller rights to this product, giveaway rights, actually. So you can set up a Facebook group, which is a very special Facebook group by following this training, which is more like a search engine. You can make it all around phone cases, okay? Always, guys, narrow down. Do not try to spread yourself too thin because, as I always say, you will end up as a pancake. Do you want to be a pancake? Okay. Some pancakes are very, very thin. Others are a bit thicker, but okay, I'm joking. Another one is, my last bonus is utilizing print-on-demand services, turn your images into products. So could you think of better bonuses to go along with this offer? I couldn't. yeah, quite frankly, I could not. Okay, guys, so you'll click any of the get the best price or buy now. Again, in my description box, the link to my review is right there. Okay, down there. Click the get the best price or whatever, and then you will be redirected to the sales page, which is essentially my affiliate link. So if you pick it up from me, you'll get the bonuses. They'll be waiting for you in your Warrior Plus account. You'll just go to purchase history, find this product, and you will find my affiliate bonuses waiting for you. Now let me show you the members area. So it is very cute looking, very lovely looking, as sweet as a newborn baby, I would say. Nice pink, okay. Right, so here we have the case study. I like it that he starts with a case study. So, you know, he just shows you how he's just really set this business up, created some phone cases by very smartly doing his research first and checking what's selling. And there's a Chrome extension spy tool for Etsy specifically, right, that he will be recommending. Or was it for Printify? No, for Printify, because you will connect your Printify, which is print-on-demand platform, with Etsy. It's a smooth connection, so you really set everything up on Printify. They have the templates there for phone cases. They have the mock-ups. It's very cool. Okay, so easy peasy lemon squeezy. And you connect it with your Etsy listing and voila. Right after he published this, he already got a sale. So pretty cool. I like it that he starts with this case study because it proves it works if you do it the right way. Okay, so this is the first video introduction. And in this video, he's just saying, well, everybody's got a phone. Everybody needs phone case. Everybody buys it pretty much. Okay, I don't know of a person who wouldn't have a phone case, who has a phone but doesn't have a phone case. No, I don't. Okay, so yeah, it's always in demand, and they, you know, like, look at mine. It's so ugly. I need a new one. Of course, I'm gonna buy a new one when I find time. I hate going to the shop, so maybe I'm gonna, maybe I should really create my own, design my own. It's so easy now. Who knows? Maybe I'll make my daughter, you know, start this business. She's got some design skills, definitely, but you don't need one. She loves to play with AI as well. So, who knows? Maybe it's an idea. Alright, in the next video, he will show you how to set everything up. So Etsy and Printify, how to connect them. So these are the platforms. You see how transparent my reviews are? Okay, module 2, uncovering winning designs. Yes, how to do the research, what extension to use and all of that. So he's recommending some. Then module 3, creating phone case design. And he will use, okay, you can use whatever you want, really. I mean, whatever you want. He will show you how to use ideogram.ai, very good image generator, AI image generator. I use it myself all the time. Canva, Inkscape also. Pretty amazing, this platform, but you do need a walkthrough. It seems a bit complex, maybe because I haven't used it personally myself. So as I was watching this video, I was like, you know, following along with the vendor and learning how to navigate this platform. It's pretty cool. As soon as you know how to use it, you know, it's gonna be easy. But first, someone needs to really walk you through, ideally. Unless you want to spend a lot of time going through the, you know, maze and all of that. I don't know if that makes sense, but you know what I mean. It's like a labyrinth, and to find your way out, I don't know if that's a good analogy, but okay, let's leave it. I got lost. You know what I mean. You get me. Okay, next one is the image upscaler. So once you've created your design, you want to upscale it for better quality. Now, module 4, creating your first phone case. Okay, this was cool as well. He was also using Canva in conjunction with other platforms. So, because you have to create it in a specific size and also download it as either PNG or JPEG, or there was another SVG, I think, also works with these platforms. Right, module 4.1, following the file print requirements. Okay, so yes, you need to meet the specific requirements of Printify, so your listing is accepted. And then we have, so these are the measurements and all of that. So there's always a bit of text below the videos, and yeah, it's a very comprehensive training. Okay, module 5, Etsy SEO and AI with AI power and publishing. This is probably the longest video, like around 25 minutes long. The rest of them would be anything from 5, 7, 10, maybe 15 minutes, okay? So you should really be done within an hour or just over. Okay, so that's a good one. That's a good video. Very detailed on how to create the listing, how to optimize it so everything is spot on, so your listing is picked by the organic search on Etsy and your listing actually ranks and it looks beautiful. And you will of course use AI to write all of that for you. Alright, and then we have the conclusion, and that's it. Voila, this is the front end. Now there will be a few upsells. Let's check out the upsells in my written review. So OTO number 1, $29.95, and guys, no downsells. He doesn't do downsells, so if you want the upsell, pick it up. If not, just keep moving, okay? But yeah, there will be no downsell waiting for you. Some vendors do it, others don't, okay? OTO number 1, done for you design pack. Again, $29.95. 500 plus high quality ready to sell phone case designs and unlimited commercial rights. So done for you stuff. OTO number 2, mock-up pack, $29.95 as well. Did I get the prices right? Let me just double check with what's on Warrior Plus. The prices look slightly different here. I'll have to, maybe he has changed that. Okay, I'll have to double check that. So, but I'll make sure when the review is published that the prices are correct, okay? OTO number 3, Dog Lover Design Pack, 100 plus dog themed, ready to sell phone case designs and unlimited commercial use, $19.95. I think this dog theme is very, very dog themed, very popular. Different breeds of dogs and all of that, right? They're very cute. Okay. And OTO number 4, sublimation pack for $27.95. Additional do-it-yourself sublimation templates for more creativity, for more creative flexibility. I actually like this one because it guarantees uniqueness. Okay, so you can truly stand out. You can make it your own original design. You can turn them into your own original designs. That's the best, in my opinion. Alright guys, so that was my phone case profits review. My bonuses are waiting for you if you pick it up from me in your Warrior Plus account. So great training, guys. A good business model to get yourself into. So easy to set up. Costs you nothing. And this is a product that's always in demand. So, cool stuff. Do your research. See what's selling, what kind of designs, and go ahead and do it. What will set you apart is if you actually do it, because a lot of people will pick up this training but never put it into action. If you put it into action, the chances of you succeeding are pretty good, okay? And do it. And keep adding on new listings, new designs. Just do it. Just do it. All right. Love you and leave you. Ciao.